So the DJI Osmo Action has mounts. Here's the camera, and those are the mounts. That has basically the same kind of mount like the GoPro. You know, there's like the screw on the side. You tighten into this bayonet-like mount, and then you have a flat surface mount and a curved surface mount. Plug this in, 90-degree turn. Sorry, it clicks. And a curved mount here. You can see how curved that is. And they are glue on, and push this button and you can unlock the bayonet. You can see here how that looks like. Push it on, 90-degree turn, click, and then it's fixed. No idea how good this is going to be in the field, but yeah, those mounts are there when you buy the camera. It's in the box, those two, and this little foot here. Let's take that out, and the question everybody has probably is, does my GoPro mount also fit in this? And there's like a GoPro style thing this here, or I have like a handheld thing for my GoPro Hero 7 here. Let's unscrew that quick. The bolts, screws, and all that fits. So I'll put this in here, and like this. This is like a regular tripod mount. So GoPro to tripod, that kind of thing I have here. And then I can use it like this with this handle. And I'm going to show you quick how this looks like on a selfie stick when I walk my dog here.
Heel. Stay. Sit. Sit. Heel. Right. Good. Stand. Sit. Sit. Oh, see, you know what to do. Why is your nose so dirty? No. Sit. Why is your nose so dirty? Heel. Right. Good. Stand. Sit. Good boy. Very nice. It's a good boy.